Original sound called Satellite International Sound with Marky Juggler, Voyager. Run it. What a ta ta ta. Satellite International Sound. What a ta 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 ta.
One voice I done voice, you know. Satellite sound, yeah.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The night satellite kill us all in the dance. Yeah, yeah. About your in paradise. Satellite play, crowd of people make noise. The rest of soon boys them have to run away and hide. Yeah, yeah. Cause he's killing some over here. Satellite is killing some over there.
Alright.
He's killing some all over the place. Yeah, yeah. Yes, he's killing some over
Monday. That is the big deal. Laugh till a drop. That's where all of the footballers then come out and play. Yeah man, you have entertainers, you have runners, you have man like Bonner, Sono, all of them man that go run. Yeah man, so it's all about fun. You know? So I look forward to everybody come forward and enjoy themselves. Yo, I know it's a general.
Who's just waiting only once in the skies? Hoping for the best but expecting the worst. Satellite and jump on Monday. Stay strong, let's stay forever. So have the powers but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music for the sad man. Imagine when we face this world and to turn our faces into the sun. Thinking our leaders, thinking it will do. The music play by a home sound. Forever strong, we gonna be forever strong. Satellite's gonna play forever, forever and ever. Forever strong.
It's good music, got a song called the Satellite Sound. He's the Mark Juggler, Voyager one. Satellite from out of Boston. Tarantula touchdown. Say this sound on the box. Any sound, this satellite, them get a box. Those are the facts. It no matter how much dub you have, and your money could at all like me locks. You still get a box. When me say box, me no mean no lunch box, nor no fruit punch box. What kind of box? Like the brother with the 8-ball jacket, give the girl pan the train tracks. What kind of box? Take $10 water quarters, roll up in a 1 foot of socks. What kind of box? When you fill out your W2 and find out your Uncle Sam tax. What kind of box? When the brother take him shoes, fling it off a George Bush down in a Iraq. What kind of box?
One voice I done voice, you know. Satellite sound, yeah.
We got this. Oh, na 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 na. Take it easy, satellite. Take it easy on the yes. No one wants to listen to your dubs. Sound guy, remember when you're trying to challenge a satellite, make sure you're serious. Cause that can be dangerous, yes. We're not a joke sound. And don't you hustle in the name of the dance, or you couldn't be serious. That can be dangerous, yeah. We're not a joke sound. Sound guy, as from today, make sure of how you play. You're playing much too loud. And try to take off the crowd. Now when you're planning to challenge the satellite, make sure you're serious. Cause that can be dangerous, yes. We're not a joke sound. Sound guy, meet me at the corner, won't you? Down your avenue, London. The satellite is giving all the sun for true.
Satellite sound.
So if you tune in till the morning,
Alright.
satellite is playing.
Yo.
And it can sound like that.
Yo.
Oh yes, it can sound like that. In the magic like that, you know I like it like that. Yeah.
never play what the jumpers play. Never do what the heathens do, cause that's before we give it the guidance. Never play what those selectors play. Emperor Selassie, I had chance and obey. Junior's words are pure substance. Never play what the jumpers play. Never do what the heathens do, cause that's before we give it the guidance. Never play what the wicked some play. Neither will I walk in the council no day. Satellite play no guide, so the jumping sounds I'll be always burning. Selectors and the owners will be thrown in the ash bin. Can't fool satellite with your false doctrine, your false teaching. Oh, what a sin thing. Justice in the skies, it's salvation that you're seeking. From the throne of David, how it's obvious that you're drifting. You have no respect for the king of all kings, so his name I'll be always exalting. Satellite will never play what the jumpers play. Never do what the heathens do, cause Rastafari give it the guide.
And that's Mr. Boy. No, that's Mr. Sono. For the fast start. And that's just a little warm up, people. That is just a little warm up because they didn't get enough time to warm up. Yes. So, you know. Sono first out the blocks. And they're on the mark. Get your cameras out, people. Set. Oh my goodness. And remember, the third fast start is an elimination, so Mr. Sono needs to be knowing what he's doing. Bonner needs to get off his mark. Bonner, you need to get up and start shake it off. And they're on the mark. Once again for the third time. Set. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. That looks like it's a race between the two Chalky Hill competitors, Mr. Sono and Mr. Not Nice, otherwise called Mr. Gaggy. And people, as you know, Mr. Bonner is like our Usain Bolt. He's nothing to worry about. Mr. Bonner has nothing to worry about. You see, he's just calm, collected, and watching Mr. Gaggy and Mr. Sono going down the track. I think Mr. Bonner has something up his sleeve. Yes, Mr. Bonner don't want to show us his true speed. So Mr. Bonner just taking a little stance and saying, watch what is going on. Mr. Bonner, take a good time. Okay, Mr. You want me to set them up? Alright, no problem. I'll do that. No problem. Okay, you gotta listen to me. Sono and Mr. Not Nice. You gotta listen to the mediator, okay? I'm Bonner when we say go, I mean if it's still stay there, man. I mean if we run off, yeah? On your mark. Set. Boom. And they're off. And Mr. Bonner is in the lead. And Mr. Gaggy is right behind Mr. Bonner. There is Mr. Sono coming up. And there is Mr. Bonner. And Mr. Bonner there. Yo! Mr. Bonner! What a fucking dumb to that! There is Mr. Bonner! There is Mr. I told you, people, Mr. Bonner have nothing to worry about. As you all can see. And people, listen. And Mr. Bonner, as you can see.
I'm a family, starting from Monday to Friday, Lord. And at the end of the week, I got to listen to certain lines and play. Oh God, me and my virgin, my king. Take a little stroll in the dance, oh. Watching the African queens having themselves a oh gosh, who better skanking to skanking? Oh God, satellite in the morning, rover free. Oh yeah, who better light up your senses? Oh Lord, and if I somebody to Sunday, satellite to play.
I want to them satellite.
In the sound class tonight, and the vibe is alright. It's satellite tonight, and I'm feeling alright.
So what was your strategy? But winning the race.
Well, I feel that we were going to
And then you actually win.
actually win.
Congratulations, man. What do you think you did wrong in the race?
First, the early false start. You know, that was good for Bonner. Relax. But I can tell the crowd that next year is going to be different.
Why you think you lose the race at Drax?
Well, I get wounded and I don't show it up.
So, how much did you come in the race? What number did you place?
Well, then the second and third, but me and son of the right place.
So you say you
false start.
So you want to say you come second?
In the middle position.
Satellite sound here.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The night satellite killed us all in the dance. Yeah, yeah. About your in paradise. Satellite play, crowd of people make noise. The rest of soon boys them have to run away and hide. Yeah, yeah, cause it's getting so over here. Satellite is getting so over there. Alright. It's getting so